want to know, what does Garry put in his hair? What's up, beautiful people? Hope you guys have a great, fantastic day as per usual. So let me quickly explain my brief absence. So what I've been trying to do is I've been working on getting things together for this one business I've been working on. I've done it for a long time, but it really went anywhere. And so now I've figured out a way to make it go somewhere. So I've been working on that. And in addition to that, I got food poisoning yesterday, actually. And so that entire day I was just, I had some torchy tacos, some trailer park trashies. I don't know what it was about this time, but it just did not hit right like I should have. Like everything flavor-wise was popping. And the craziest thing about it too is that I knew I should have put them, like they're already wrapped in foil. I knew I should put them in the air fryer. Like literally I spent like 10 minutes, 5 minutes leading into it, and the 5 minutes after I got it contemplating, because I was eating on the chips and salsa, no, chips and queso, and I was sitting there contemplating the whole time. I was like, man, I should just go put this in the air fryer so a little bit. I was like, nah, it's warm enough, it's good. And I think if I had just put it in the air fryer and trusted my intuition in that particular moment, it would have changed a lot of things. I don't think I would have taken 12, but it is what it is. So anyways, let's get right into the video. We're doing this hygiene video, highly requested. Hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna start with the mouth, work our way to the face, and then we're gonna go ahead and get down to the skin, etc. And then like different tips, and as well as just a little bit of health tips that I can give you guys as far as like vitamins, minerals, and stuff like that. So we're gonna get started. All right, so like I said, we're gonna start off with the mouth. So first things first, whenever you brush your teeth, you're supposed to make sure that you get a soft toothbrush. The reason being is because anything above that really damages your gums and starts to rip off a little bit of like the protection on your teeth. And over time, that starts to wear down. You know, you want to keep that. So you really shouldn't have any toothbrush unless told by your dentist. But you should use a sensitive or a soft bristle toothbrush. So that's facts. Just want to give you guys a little bit of knowledge. So after you get that toothbrush, you're going to want to make sure you put some of this bad boy right here. Crest 3D white right on top of that bad boy. That's gonna get you right. I love the minty freshness. This is the Arctic Fresh scent. I don't know if they have more than that, but I think that as a whole, after repeated use over several weeks, it definitely makes a difference in your teeth. And then recently I actually had my teeth whitened to clean at Mint Dentistry. And what they do is they give you it depends on what package you get, but they give you a mold after you get your teeth cleaned and stuff like that. So I got my teeth mold right here. Perfect teeth. Oh, here we go. I'm so stupid. Here we go. So y'all can see my teeth here. Basically, what you're supposed to do is okay, bro. You get 2 tubes of this whitening paste or whatever that you put in there before you apply these to your teeth, right? So what happened was I took the first tube, I didn't know how to work it, and I started pressing. I was like, bro, why is this not budging? It exploded. And so I was left with only 1 tube. It's supposed to last you 7 days. No, it is what it is. But essentially what you're supposed to do is you put a little drop in each one of these little 2 spots right here. Put them in, take it out, wipe off any of the stuff on your gums, and then put them right back in for up to 45 minutes. Go ahead and let them ride out. Obviously after you brush your teeth, you want to make sure your mouth still smells good one night. Obviously try to floss as much as possible. Me personally, I really don't even floss that much. I'm trying to make that, change that habit. So like I actually have a thing of floss. It's supposed to be right here. I don't know if my sister took it or if I dropped it somewhere here in my little office spot, but I keep it on the desk so that way as I'm eating I can just easily like pick stuff out my teeth and whatnot. With this bad boy right here, this is their breath. I saw this on, my sister saw on TikTok. She got it, she didn't like it too much, but I don't mind it at all. And so I've been using this pretty good. It's not super powerful in terms of like the scent, so it's like you don't like peppermint, like oh my god, it's peppermint. Nah, it's nothing like that. It's real called Clue and Collected, and I think it's a really good product to use as like your follow-up with in terms of you keep your mouth fresh and all that kind of stuff. So, all right, so next up on the list is get into the face. So my skin was really dry. And facial cleanser. This is the cleanser. I use this every day, mostly every day. Use some Slay. Like I have a face bar soap thing. Dropped it in the toilet by accident. One day I was reaching for something and it fell off the shelf straight into the toilet right after I took a piss. So that's happened to my bar soap. Rest in peace. My facial cleanser. And then once I finished that up and dried, I made a video on like what I do for my face. Y'all can check that out. I'll link it. But then I followed up right here with this moisturizer. It's holding a jar. Here. I like to apply it in each little section. The neck. And I just massage it there.
How you feeling, baby?
Pretty solid.
Now you got it hungry because you pooped out everything.
Okay, so just finished up the mouth, and like I was telling you guys, I love using this as a facial cleanser and then following it up with this moisturizer right here. Hope in a Jar. These are both by the Philosophy brand. Fantastic brand. Days, you know how you get like those little spots here and there? I use vitamin C as my vitamin C oil as my spot treatment. Reason being is it helps with dark spots, uneven tone, and expression lines, and promotes a firmer looking complexion. Has ferulic acid, supports a luminous, youthful radiance, right? So what I usually do is I'll put a drop or two. I'll do like a little Nike check mark, like a little teardrop underneath my eyes, especially when I have the moisturizer. And so that way when I put the moisturizer, low key gets around everywhere. And so what I'll do is I'll let this sit on my face for a little bit and then wipe it in on from this. And then sometimes I'll put on those little bumps that you find sometimes on your face, especially after you shave. Sometimes you have those little bumps. I use this. Let me know if this works for you guys. It works usually for me pretty good after about 3 to 4 days of like treatment. It usually pops off. Sometimes it only takes like a day or two for it to go away, but this is just like what I like to use. So men, this is what I highly recommend. This any person, first off, the Method brand is a certified B Corporation, which means it's meant to benefit people on the planet. It's made from 65% recycled plastic, and it's cruelty free, not tested on animals, and it's naturally derived body wash. So everything here is like natural. I love this stuff. And this particular scent for any of the fellas out there is called Juniper Sage. I'm a big fan of this one. Skin smelling right. This is the go-to lotion. Don't ever buy any lotion unless it's this one. If you want to smell like chocolate and have like really nice glow on your skin, this is what you put on. Let me show y'all. Before, do y'all see that moisture level, bro? After that, I put on a little bit of this right here. But this is a Zara brand, like Femin. But basically what it is like maybe like high quality designer scents that they have. So I really like it. I put it on whenever I'm about to head out real quick, or sometimes I spray my clothes with it real briefly, so that way it has a lingering scent underneath it whenever I put it on if I forget to put something on. Make sure you continue to smell good, so you put a little Old Spice Fiji in the armpits. I really like this scent. I think it's very good deodorant, but to each their own, right? That's kind of for you to decide if you want to have this type of deodorant or all natural deodorant. You guys can see my hands just moving away with legs. Right here is my handy. I have 2 of these meal kits. One of them stays in my work bag, and the other one stays on the desk, ready to go inside the house. But I keep those handy in case I need to get my hands nice and clean, get my nails cleaned up, and then I have some clear nail polish somewhere. I think it's probably my sister's room. That I use to get my hands right. And if you see, I made a TikTok over it, so y'all go check out my TikTok and my Instagram. I want to know, what does Garry put in his hair? Well, for a while I had really only been using, so basically when I had my dreadlocks, all I used to do was wash it with Dr. Bronner's Peppermint 1801 Castle soap, right? That's basically what I used for those 3.5-4 years that I did that. So then after that point, what I started to do was wash my hair with normal stuff. And so some Aussie moisture, Aussie products right here. Ooh, this other brand of stuff that I use, Maui or something like that I tried out for shampoo and conditioner. But aftercare, after I get out the shower, put on some hair, definitely put this pink hair lotion in there. I usually use this to twist my hair. And then what I started to try, and I usually put on some tea tree oil, and some like other regular oil and stuff like that in there. And so after that, what I like to do, is put in a little bit of this Mel's conditioner here to moisturize and detangle your hair. It's got a nice pomegranate scent. It's really good for 4C hair textures like mine, and I think it's a really good product. So yeah, so that's what I use for my hair, and this is basically everything I use to stay clean, fresh, and sexy. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see coming forth, even more products you have tried that you like, and if there's anything that you want me to try, I will do try videos of different items and stuff like that as well, so you guys just let me know. And thank you again for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned for more of the drip. I got some fashion videos planned and some other things. Again, sorry for my brief hiatus, but I will continue to drop this content, so don't even worry. Gonna be getting a new camera soon, so that's gonna change things up as well. Deuces.